Okay, number 341 of 1001, solve problems in engineering mathematics. So a rectangle ABCD, which measures 18 centimeters by 24 centimeters, is folded once, perpendicular to diagonal AC. So that the opposite vertices A and C coincide, find the length of the fold. Okay, so let's say this is our rectangle ABCD. Okay, so this is the rectangle ABCD and this is the diagonal. So if this is vertex A and then this is vertex C. So let's fold this such that A and C coincide. Okay? And then we want to find the length of the fold. So this will be the fold. We want to find this, the length of this. And this fold is perpendicular to the diagonal AC. Okay, so let us draw the figure. So ito yung magiging figure natin. So we have rectangle ABCD with sides 24 and 18. So this is the diagonal. So diagonal, we have D over 2 and then D over 2 here. And then we want to find the length of the fold. So ito yung fold, Y and then Y. So Y plus Y, this is 2Y. We want to find the value of this Y. So, and then we add this, so we have Y plus Y. We want to find the value of 2Y. So that is the length of the fold. So to find the value of Y, we need to find the value of the diagonal first and then solve the value of X here. So if the whole length A to B is 24, then this side, let this side, this length be X, and then the other part will be 24 minus X because the total is 24. Okay? So let us just use the Pythagorean theorem to solve this. Okay, so according to Pythagorean theorem, if we have right triangle ABC, C is the hypotenuse. So the square of the hypotenuse, C squared, is equal to the sum of the square of the two legs. So we have A squared plus B squared. Okay? So let us apply the Pythagorean theorem to this triangle ABC or triangle ABC. So they are congruent right triangles. So let's apply the Pythagorean theorem. So the legs are 24 and 18. So we can solve the diagonal. Okay, so the formula will be D squared is equal to 18 squared plus 24 squared. But if you know the Pythagorean triple, so by just inspection, we can solve this mentally. 18 and 24, this can be divided by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So therefore, we have Pythagorean triple, 3, 4, 5. So if we have 3 and 4, therefore the diagonal or the hypotenuse will be 5. And then we divide this by 6. So therefore, we can just multiply 5 by 6. And then therefore, the value of D is equal to 13. 5 times 6 is 13. If you know the Pythagorean triple, 3, 4, 5. But if you forgot that, just use your calculator to solve the value of D. The value of D is equal to, extract the square root of both sides. So we have square root of 18 squared plus 24 squared. So just type this on your calculator. We will get the value of D is equal to 30 centimeters. So therefore, this D over 2, so just divide 30 by 2. So this length will be 15 and then the other is also 15. Okay? And then now solve the value of X using this right triangle, this right triangle. Okay? Apply again the Pythagorean theorem. So this time the hypotenuse is X. So we have X squared is equal to the sum of the square of the two legs. So we have 18 squared plus we have 24 minus X squared. Okay, so apply the expand this. So we have X squared is equal to 18 squared. So that is 324. So this will be 324 plus apply the square of binomial. So 24 is squared. So that will be 576. Minus twice the product of 24 and x. So we have 48x. And then square the x. So we have plus x squared. Then solving for x. So we have x squared on both sides. So if we subtract x squared to both sides, so this will cancel out. And then just solve for, we have x here, minus 48x. So put negative 48x to the other side. So we will get 48x equals, add this 324 plus 576, we have 900, and then we can divide both sides by 48, and then the value of x is equal to 900 divided by 48, that will be 18.75. Okay? Then last, use this triangle. So the value of x now is 18.75. So now let's solve this final right triangle. We can now get the value of y. We now have the value of d sub d divided by 2 is 15. And then we have the other side is 18.75. So we can now solve the value of y. So reapply the Pythagorean theorem to this right triangle. So the hypotenuse is the opposite of this right angle. So we have 18.75. So we have 18.75 squared is equal to the sum of the legs. So we have 15 and then y. So 15 squared plus y squared. So 18.75, let's square that. So we have 351.5625 equals 15 squared. So we have 225 plus y squared. So subtract 225 on both sides. This will cancel out. So we have y squared is equal to minus 225. We get 126.5625. And then last step, extract the square root of both sides. So we will only use the positive because we're talking about length. So square root of 126.5625, the answer is 11.25. So the value of y is 11.25. So this length is 11.25. But we want to find the length of the fold. So the length of the fold is 2y. So just multiply this by 2, 11.25 times 2. So we have 22.5 centimeters. So the answer is letter C, 22.5 centimeters. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and see you in another tutorial, math tutorial about engineering mathematics. Bye-bye.